Being protective of the bubbers, in his bubbers.
A bit from my hand. Look at that. His little arms or wings.
I'm trying to get him back up here. Mummy and Daddy don't like him doing. Look, she's pulled. Look. Trying at me to snag him out and feed him bubbers.
Go away. Go away. No. I've not got food, I've got a phone. Go away. Make me square you up, bro. Make me square you up. Make me square you up. Yeah. Who's the king? Yeah. Don't frickin' mess with me. That's right. Don't mess with me. I've got a leg. What have you got? Huh? What have you got? Evelyn, hello. Hello. You like feeding the birds, don't we? Birdies. What's happening, birdies? Look at that. Raven at the top, look. Look at him sat there. He's my third eye.
Yeah, bit just to come back at me.